Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create stunning ASCII art using Python. ASCII art is a form of digital art that uses characters and symbols to create images. With Python and the art package, we can easily convert text into beautiful ASCII art. Let's start by installing the art package using pip. Open your terminal and type pip install uart to install the package. Next, we import the necessary modules. We use the textwart function from the art package to convert text into ASCII art. We also import the time module for a time delay effect. Now we prompt the user to enter their text. We convert the text to uppercase for better visibility in the ASCII art. Using the textwart function, we convert the text into ASCII art frames. Each frame represents a different stage of the animation. Finally, we print each frame with a slight delay using the time.sleep function. This creates a smooth animation effect when displaying the ASCII art. And that's it. With just a few lines of Python code, you can create stunning ASCII art. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and text styles to create your own unique art piece. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more Python tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching and happy coding.